How to fix green line on phone screen on Android. If any day you face the problem of the green line on your phone screen on Android and you are quite frustrated on how to solve it, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether your mobile is connected or it is updated or not. For that, you can go to the settings icon on your mobile device. And if you see the option of the software update, you have to just update your very mobile device because sometimes not updating your mobile device may cause the problem. After that, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. And after you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search display. After you search display out there, now you can see the interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option of the display, and after you tap on the first option on the display, now you have to go to the motion smoothness and you have to set it to the high. After that, you have to go back and you also need to open the very eye support sealed by just tapping on the enable, and you can also set up the other screen mode and all of those things. And likewise, you just have to reset your phone also if the very problem is not solved. Otherwise, you can just restart your phone by closing your mobile phone and again opening it, and this way your problem can be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.